Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. It is the new year and I just got an amazing workout, first workout in the new year. I'm super pumped, and here today I'm bringing you some extra special stuff, extra special tip on how to put on muscle in the new year, guys. So let's get ready and hang on tight. Make sure you watch the whole video because I got something special for you at the end. Let's get ready, guys, and let's go ahead and get strong this year. So, everybody's always asking me, right? Been in the game for a long time. How do I put on muscle? Everybody always wants to know. And it's a really important question, because the fact is, putting on muscle is what's gonna allow us to keep off fat, right? Muscle is like our body's overtime system. It is gonna keep that fat off even when we're not in the gym working out. So that's really important. And the best part is, you put on muscle in the new year, you put on muscle during the winter time. When the summer comes, you don't have to do all the extra stuff, right? You don't have to worry about working out extra hard because you're trying to go to the beach, you're trying to go on vacation. So let's put in the work now. All right, so let's get ready, guys. First tip I got for you guys. Now, if you are younger clients or even older clients who are just starting, I really want you to focus on this one. This is really big, and it starts with a C. It is your calisthenics. Calisthenics are your body weight exercises. That is your body weight squats, your push-ups, your pull-ups, your core exercises without using resistance. Guys, if you are under the age of 18, or even if you're much older and you're just starting, it is so important to get steady with the calisthenics. If you are younger, especially in high school and middle school, and you're ready to really start getting big, always start with your calisthenics. Get really good with those. Make sure you can do a lot. If you can't bust out 20 push-ups, guys, then you got to work on it. All right, ladies too. With a lot of different clients, I'm telling you, I done had some strong women, and the strongest ones are the ones that can get down and knock out 15 to 20 push-ups easy. All right, those are the ones that end up being able to do more resistance training, and then they're able to build that muscle and it stays on longer. So let's make sure that you are really good with your calisthenics. Get down, knock out those push-ups right now, knock out those squats right now, knock out those sit-ups, guys. You can do it, and especially if you're home quarantining, all right, this is the best time. Get good at calisthenics. Bam! Number 2, eating good food. All right, guys, super important. I know everybody hates it. I kind of hate it. Some people are really good with eating good foods, and I mean, congratulations to you. But that is not a strong point for me, right? I love my sweets. I love my candy. I love some of my
hours later
fried fish and some of those other fried foods. But the fact is, that is not what's going to allow you to put on a lot of muscle, all right? You want to put on the muscle, you got to eat the good foods. Stay away from the fried foods. Stay away from the candies. Replace your snacks and things with actual meals. Get used to having your protein, your vegetables. I mean, staying away from some of the candies, staying away from some of those fried foods, replacing those with some of your more healthy items, your baked fish, your baked chicken, your vegetables, your brown rices, your quinoa, your couscous. All right, if you want to know more about that, log into my website. It'll be posted right below, and we're going to go more into what your good foods are and what you can eat. But the most important thing is, and I always tell my clients this, eat within 30 minutes of working out. Now, that may sound like some old tip, and I know some people talk about fasting and things of that sort, but guys, fasting is not going to allow you to put on muscle. It may help you to burn fat, and it may even help you to preserve a little bit of muscle, but if you're talking about putting on some muscle, talking about getting stronger, fasting is not going to help you do that. So if you really do want to get stronger and you want to put on some muscle, eat. Do your workouts, knock out whatever you're doing, and then go ahead and get that food within that first 30 minutes to an hour window. Try to get 3 meals in. I know it sounds, once again, really old school, really cliche, but your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner are very important, because getting that food, getting that fuel is what's going to allow your muscles to recover. You'll want to recover so that you're not so sore, so that you can go back to the gym the next day. All right, the more sessions you get, the more muscle you're going to be able to put on, the more strength you're going to be able to acquire. So getting good food is really important. Try it. Just try the beginning. Try to get 3 good meals in. And if you can go and get more than that, then good for you. All right. Again, check that website underneath, or check out our next video where we're going to go over healthy foods. Bam! Number 3. Let's get ready, guys. We're already at number 3. I need you to hold on tight, because I promise you, the rest of these are going to get really good. But number 3 is really important. Started this when I was in high school, and that is tracking your strength. Track your workouts first. grab a notepad, grab a sheet of paper, check to see what workout you did. If you've done 1 hour of push-ups, write that down. Write how many push-ups you did in an hour. All right, if you are in the gym and you're able to do your chest and your back and your biceps, write down those days, then write down the workouts that you did, and then try to track how much weight you lifted. And then the goal should be to improve that every time you go in. If you can go up even 2.5 to 5 pounds, that is an increase in strength. And the most important thing is, strength comes before muscle. So focus on your strength. Track your strength. Make sure you know what workouts and what exercises you've done. Try to stay consistent with that, and then track your progress. That way you'll figure out what you need to do and maybe where you've plateaued, right? Where you've been stuck at for a little bit longer than you wish you were. And now you can improve upon that. In your notepad, you got in that golden book, and you're gonna keep looking at it, and you're gonna know, hey, last Thursday I was lifting 100 pounds, but this Thursday I lifted 105, which means I'm getting stronger. All right, so track your strength. Number 4, guys, is a mental box. All right, it is a mental box. And guess what it is? Don't weigh in every day. Guys, this counts, and ladies, if you are doing it, whether you're losing weight or whether you're trying to gain weight, whether you're trying to build muscle, whatever you are doing, don't track your weight every day. It will stress you out more than anything, and stress does a lot of things to the hormones in our body. So don't stress yourself out with that. There's too many things in the world to stress yourself out with. If you do anything, sometimes I tell my clients to do once a week. So do it on a Friday, all right? Definitely, if you have cheated over the weekend, do not weigh in on Monday. I promise you it won't do anything but make you sad and make you want to give up on your journey. All right, how to track your progress through other methods. That can mean seeing if those jeans are fitting a little bit tighter or a little bit looser. All right, seeing how those shirts are fitting, seeing how you feel when you look in the mirror, or even how you're working out. Do you feel lighter? Do you feel heavier? Do you have more energy or less energy? Those are also great signs to see if you're improving or if there's some things that need to be worked on and need to be changed. Once again, guys, number 4 is don't weigh in every day. Bam! Number 5, baby, I told you we were coming with something good. Number 5, switch your workout plans.
In things, of course, in order to create size and to create muscle growth, which will sometimes the body will hit a wall. And what that basically means is that the body is saying, look, I know all your tricks. I know you're gonna start first with bench press. And then I know you're gonna walk over to the chin-up bar and do chin-ups. And then I know you're coming back to the bench press, and then you go to the chin-up bar and come back to bench press. I know that routine. I know exactly everything you do, and I am prepared for that. So you have to go and use the shocking principle.
All right, guys, this is really, really important. If you don't have a trainer, if you don't have an instructor, and you are doing your own workout plans, even if you're using something that you've Googled and researched, switch it up, guys. 2 to 4 weeks is what I always advise, and I will probably stay somewhere even closer to 2 to 3 weeks. All right, reason that is our bodies are meant to adapt. All right, you stress it out, you stress it out. Sometimes by the end of that week, you're not even as sore as you were in the beginning of the week. What does that mean? Our body is getting used to it. So if you've plateaued and you found yourself somewhere where, oh man, I'm not losing any more weight, I'm not gaining any more weight, I'm not getting in better shape and better condition, that could just mean something really simple, which is also really good. Your body has gotten used to the workout. So what do? Switch it up. All right, switching it up can be really, really easy, guys. That can mean going a little bit faster in your workout or going a little bit slower. All right, it can mean doing more reps or less reps. It can mean going for a longer period of time or a shorter period of time. And sometimes if you're really, really advanced, guys, for number 5, I'm going to tell you, you may have to hit some 2-a-days. All right, 2-a-days aren't bad. The best physiques, the best athletes have done that in the world. Switching the times up, if you're a morning person, try the afternoon, all right? But there's many ways you can switch it up without having to research a whole new program. Take a look at your program. Hopefully you're tracking it, and then see what little changes you can make. And sometimes just those little changes is gonna throw your body off for a whack, and it's gonna get you past that plateau that you've been stuck on for a long time. That is your 5 tips to gaining muscle in the new year, and I'm super excited for you. I know you got it. So everybody, let's get ready. Let's get strong this new year, and I'll see you again.